Namaste once again, this is Mrityunjay. Welcome you all in Bring the Change. We are going to the different philosophical aspect, and today our topic is the niyama, the personal discipline, that is Saucha or Sauch. Sauch means the cleanliness, the two different type of the cleanliness, the physical one and the mental one. Physical, take bath, do brushing, cleaning the teeth, cleaning the tongue. So these all are the physical cleaning of the body. But over here the Rishi is more emphasizing on the mental aspect of the cleanliness. The having the positive thoughts without egoism, non-selfishness, no jealousy, no stealing. So this is the mental cleansing. So for that what we can do, the Rishi Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya explained two very simple meditation for them. First is the ATMA BODHA sadhana. As we wake up early in the morning, just feel that we are getting a new life, new birth. Make the plan out of your whole day, that these are my topics or my works that I have to do. I will do with my full heart without hurting anyone. And when you are doing it, so in the morning when you are making it as a thought, so it will goes into cosmos and it will make the things happen in the real life. The second thing, that is the one of the most important, that is the TATTVA both sadhana. Tattva means the element and the sadhana means to have the control. So in the night when we are sleeping, we have to sit, we have to think that this is the whole day how it was gone. The morning we did the whole planning. Are we satisfied? Are we complete that all plans or not? Just check it out mentally. If not, let it be. Don't worry about that. And from the next day, we will determine that from the next day I will try to do my best to check this all things out, to do the things with the right versions. And in the night after this all planning, if you hurt someone, then say sorry to God, or in the next day you can make the things clear, or at the last you have to think that this is my ending, I am going to die. No worries, no tension, no jealousy, no egoism. The body is just the ashes, the brutal thing. The soul is the eternal element. So I am that one. Feel that, feel the soham. So means that and hum means that is me. So feel that, close your eyes and go to sleep. So this is the Atma Bodh and the Tattva Bodh for the cleanliness of the mental things. This is one of the most important. These are very practical things, like the what we think, the same we become. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. If you like, then share, subscribe and tell your friends about the different concepts, the practical thing about the Atma Bodh and the Tattva Bodh. Keep watching. Thank you all. Dhanyavad.